Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here we have to find the sum of all the multiples of 7 which are between 300 and 700. So first, to find the sum of all the multiples of 7, first we need to find all the multiples of 7 which are between 300 and 700. For that I will do some rough work here. First, to find the multiples of 7, first I will divide 300 with 7. If I divide this 300 with 7, I will get 4, 28, this will 2, this will go with 2, this is 6. So I can write this as a mixed fraction like this. Correct. So it means if I multiply this 42 with 7, I will get a number nearby 300, and that number, if I multiply this to 42 with 7, I will get 294, which is near to 300. But we have to find all the multiples of 7 between 300 and 700. So it means next number will be 43 into 7. So this will equal to 301. So first, this is 301 is my first multiple of 7 between 300 and 700. To get next number, what will I do? I will multiply this 44 with 7, or simply you add 7 to this 301. I will get 308. And after next number, I will get, if I add 7 to this 308, I will get 315, and so on. Correct. And last number to find, we know the 700 is a multiple of 7, but 700, we need number between 300 and 700. So to get last number, I will subtract 7 from 700. So I will get 396. So this is my last number. See here, now the difference between all the number is how much? 777. So this means this is my AP. So all these numbers are terms of this AP. Correct. So here the first number is 301. My last term is, we can say last term is 693, and the common difference between these terms is equal to 308 minus 301, which is equal to 7. Here we know the first term, last term, and the common difference between the numbers. So it means we can find the total number of multiples of 7 between 300 and 700 by using which formula? Last term is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So last term is 693 and first is 301 plus n means total number of terms. N is total number of terms, or here this total number of terms are equal to total multiple of 7 between 300 and 700. Correct. So D is equal to 7. So this will become 301 plus 7n minus 7 is equal to 294 plus 7n. So this will become equal to 7n is equal to 693 minus 294. So this will become equal to 399. So n is equal to 399 divided by 7, which is equal to 7, 5, 35, 4, 7, 57. So how many numbers are there between 300 and 700 which are multiple of 7? 57. So next step here, we have to find the sum of all these numbers. For that, we'll use this formula. Sn, the sum of all numbers, is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Okay, n is 57 divided by 2, A is equal to 301 and L is equal to 693. So this will become equal to 57 divided by 2. This will become 499. So this will become 57 multiplied by it will get cancelled with this 497. And if we multiply this 497 with 57, I will get 28329. This is my answer. The sum of all the numbers of which are multiple of 7 between 300 and 7 is equal to 28329. Thank you everyone for watching my video.